Today we're going to be removing a taillight because I got to get to the wrap underneath it to remove the leftover on my 2006 BMW E60. Now this one's really simple. It's just literally an 8mm. These tabs right here, all you gotta do is just twist and pop them out. Can't really see the one over here in the dark, but there's only a couple of them. Alright, so you pop these out. And just unscrew these. There's 3 of them, I think. Alright, after you get those out, this should pop right out. I'm doing this all with one hand, so bear with me. Alright, so this is the wrap. I didn't want to be in there anymore because you still see it a little bit. Alright, now it's the same process. To put it back in, you just pop it in there. Alright, so just put these screws back in for the nuts. Alright, so after all that, we're all good. Subscribe and like.